Next, we will demonstrate whipped backstitch. It is an evolution based on backstitch. First, we'll use 6 strands of floss, color number 9, to stitch a backstitch layer as a base for whipped backstitch. Then, use 6 strands of floss, color number 8, to whip the stitches. We will bring the needle through from the right side here. Bring the needle through the floss underneath. From bottom to top, wrap the floss without piercing the fabric. Bring the needle through. Then we follow the previous order. Thread from bottom to top in sequence. Do not pull the floss too tight while whipping. Otherwise, the floss will wrinkle up. It will affect the appearance. You need to maintain a balance of tension. Bring the needle down at this position to secure the last stitch. This is how to complete the whipped backstitch. Let's take a look at the finished result.